Today's topic is androgenic alopecia in women. Androgenic alopecia in women is a common form of non-scarring hair loss that primarily occurs in adult women. It can be called female pattern hair loss. The condition is characterized by progressive loss of terminal hair over the frontal and vertex region of the scalp, resulting in a visible reduction in hair density. In androgenic alopecia, the frontal hairline is often spared. The loss of terminal hair in affected region is usually incomplete. The term andro signified a hormonal etiology, and it is a genetically determined disorder. Androgenic alopecia in women is due to the excessive action of androgens. Androgens are male hormones that are typically present in only small amounts in women. The androgen dihydrotestosterone is now thought to be the main culprit for this type of hair loss. They shorten the growth cycle of the hair, lead to hair thinning and shortening. Androgenic alopecia can be predisposed by variety of factors such as strong genetical background, taking high androgen index birth control pills, ovarian cyst, pregnancy and menopause. The signs of androgenic alopecia are: first one is gradual onset of increased hair shedding. Second is transition in the involved areas from large, thick pigmented terminal hair to thinner shortened hair. And finally, short, wispy, non-pigmented villous hair will present. Final one is area of total denudation. This area varies from patient to patient and usually most marked at the vertex. Most women with androgenic alopecia have normal menses, normal fertility and normal endocrine function, including gender-appropriate levels of circulating androgens. Therefore, an extensive hormonal workup is unnecessary. But if a woman has irregular periods, abrupt hair loss, hirsutism or acne recurrence, an endocrine evaluation is appropriate. The androgenic alopecia is theoretically reversible. Advanced androgenic alopesia may not respond to treatments because the inflammation that surrounds the bulge area of follicle can damage the follicular stem cell. Further, you can use pharmacological drugs like minoxidil, exogenous estrogen, spironolactone, finasteride according to your doctor's advice. You can inject platelet-rich plasma protein into your scalp. It can stimulate your hair growth. Healthy diet and vitamin supplements can support your treatment. If you have further doubts, you can put in comments. We will try to clear them as much as possible. Thank you.